story. Reading history. Okay, number 1. Check. Check.
Ang gulo ng buhok mo.
Check. Check. So, perfect na. Basahin mo ulit. May import story. Import story.
Ang gulo kasi ng buhok mo.
The car that loves water.
Saan ito magilid? Ayos eh.
The car that loves water yan. O, na-check na pala natin eh. Ilan na? O, perfect na. Okay. So, ano lang hindi pa na perfect ulit? Third story. Coverage niya rin, third story ko. Pero basahin mo. So, second story, tsaka first story pa na nabasa natin yung third story. Basahin mo.
Saan mo pinutol?
Nang binawasan ko lang yung dulo.